Very good evening, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, students, we are in the chapter skeletal system. Right, okay, we already know there is a framework of bones in our body called the skeletal system or the skeleton. Right, okay. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Okay, it consists of strong, hard and stiff bones. Okay, there will be a different kinds of bones in the skeleton, like long bones, short bones, flat bones, round bones and irregular bones, right? And our skeleton consists of the skull, the rib cage, the backbone and two pairs of limbs and girdle bones, right? And we learned what is joints. A joint is a place where two bones are joined together, right? There are two main types of joints. One is immovable joints, another one is movable joints. This movable joint again divided into four main joints. Okay, hinge joints, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint, right? Students, today in this class, I am going to teach you muscles and movements. Okay. Before going to that, we should know what is muscles. Okay. Muscles are soft, elastic bands of tissues. They are responsible for every movement of our body. When we leap, bend, or move, it is the result of a muscle action. When a muscle contracts, it pulls a bone that makes the bone move. When the muscle relaxes, the bone moves back to its original position. Each type of muscle has a different shape, size, and function. There are two types of muscles in our body. Okay, muscles can be divided into two main groups: voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Students, now we are going to know voluntary muscles. Okay, the muscles that are under our conscious control are called voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles, okay, muscles attached to our skeleton or voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles are responsible for moving our body parts. Our arms, legs, shoulders, and neck move when they are pulled by skeletal muscles attached to them. Okay. Skeletal muscles are joined to the bones with the help of strong fibrous tissue called tendons. There are around 650 voluntary or skeletal muscles in our body. So now we are going to know involuntary muscles. Okay, the muscles that we cannot control are called involuntary muscles. Breathing, blood circulation, and movement of the food through the digestive system are actions carried out automatically by our body, right? The muscles controlling these actions are involuntary muscles. Okay. The muscles found in our heart is called cardiac muscle. Okay. It keeps pumping blood to different parts of our body automatically even when we are fast asleep. So our cardiac muscle is also involuntary in nature. Okay. So we need to taking care of bones and muscles, right? Muscles and bones are very important. Okay. So bones give us the shape, joints make our body flexible, right? The contraction or relaxation of muscles cause movement in our body, right? We know. Thus, bones, joints, and muscles are our important body parts, right? We should take good care of them. To taking care of bones and muscles, we can do so by eating a balanced diet and maintaining a proper posture and doing regular exercise and taking proper test. Okay, these are the some ways to taking care of our bones and muscles. Okay, students, now let's watch small video about muscles.
Now, let us learn about the softer part of our body, that is, the muscles. Our bones cannot move on their own. They are covered with body tissues that expand and contract, thus causing movement. These body tissues are called muscles. Muscles make up nearly half the weight of our body. They provide the push and pull which the bones need to bring about the movement. The only muscle exposed on the outside is our tongue. If we blink our eye, we move 200 muscles at one time. The smallest muscle is inside our ear. It is the muscles that help you to smile, frown, yawn, and kiss. There are more than 30 muscles in our face. The muscles in our body are covered by a layer of skin. There are some parts in our body which are neither hard nor soft. Touch your nose or the earlobe. These are neither bones nor muscles but are called cartilages. These parts tend to be a little flexible. When we grow, it is actually our bones and muscles growing. We can make sure that our bones and muscles grow fast and remain in a very good condition by eating a healthy meal, exercising, and maintaining a correct posture. Now, let us understand the word posture. The way we sit, stand, or move is called posture. Good posture is very important. When we sit, we need to keep our back straight against the back of the chair and keep our feet flat on the ground. When we stand, we should keep our shoulders and back straight. When we walk, we should keep our body straight and swing our arms from the shoulders. Once we start sitting or standing in the wrong posture, our bones and muscles get used to that shape, and in the future, we will find it difficult to sit or stand straight. So, we should practice a good posture every day till it becomes a habit. So, always remember, healthy food, exercises, and proper posture are needed to keep us strong and fit.
Students, in this class, we learned muscles and movements, right? There will be two types of muscles, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles, right? Okay, if you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.